Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Noor. Today our topic is artificial satellites. First, have a definite, clear, practical idea, a goal, and objectives. What is satellite? Types of satellites: natural satellites, artificial satellites, geostationary satellites, global positioning system (GPS), and at last, motion of artificial satellites. These are main steps which we discuss in our today's lecture. The question is, what is satellite? An object that revolves around a planet is called satellite. Types of satellites: natural satellites and artificial satellites. We discuss natural satellites. The moon revolving around the earth. So moon is a natural satellite of earth. Artificial satellite. Scientists have sent many objects into space. Some of those objects revolve around the earth. They are called artificial satellites. Most of the artificial satellites orbiting around the earth are used for communication purpose. Artificial satellites carry instruments or passengers to perform experiments in space. Large number of artificial satellites have been launched in different orbits around the earth. They take different time to complete their one revolution around the earth, depending upon their distance from the earth. Geostationary satellites. Geostationary satellites have the unique property of remaining permanently fixed in exactly the same position in the sky as viewed from an fixed location on Earth, meaning that ground-based antennas do not need to track them but can remain fixed in one direction. Such satellites are often used for communication purpose. The height of a geostationary satellite is about 42,300 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. Its velocity with respect to Earth is zero because these satellites are stationary with respect to Earth. GPS, Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System is a satellite's navigation system. It helps us to find the exact position of an object anywhere, on the land, on the sea, or in the air. GPS consists of 24 Earth satellites. These satellites revolve around the Earth twice a day with a speed of 3.87 kilometers per second. Now move toward our last topic, which is motion of artificial satellite. A satellite requires centripetal force that keep it to move around the Earth. The gravitational force of attraction between the satellite and the Earth provides the necessary centripetal force. Consider a satellite of mass m revolving around the Earth at an altitude h in an orbit of radius r0 with orbital velocity v0. The necessary centripetal force required is given by an equation, which is Fc equals to mv naught squared divided by r naught. The force is provided by the gravitational force of attraction between the Earth and the satellite and is equal to the weight of the satellite, which is mgh. Compare these two equations and simplify the equations. We get the velocity which a satellite must possess when launched in an orbit of radius r0 around the Earth. Here V0 is the motion of artificial satellite. Gh is the gravitational acceleration on height h. R is the radius of Earth. H is the height of satellite from surface of Earth. When a satellite revolving around very close to the Earth, it's mean that gh becomes small g, as we know that r0 equals to r plus h, but in this case r0 equals to r, therefore h equals to 0. So the above equation became V0 equals to under root of small gr. When we calculate the speed, its speed nearly 8 km per second or 29,000 km per hour. Thank you so much for your patience. Allah Hafiz.